Wait until you see what happens next in this When Motorcycle Chases Get Out of Control compilation. From heart-stopping near misses to mind-blowing stunts, this is where things get absolutely insane. You won't believe the lengths these riders go to escape the chaos. Buckle up, because this ride is going to leave you on the edge of your seat. That was incredible. Make sure to watch until the very end. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures.
Slipping through traffic and popping in and out of sight on city streets. Troopers briefly spotted him, stopped at an intersection, and tried to move in. He punched it again, and seconds later, everything went sideways.
Trooper 8, I believe we got eyes on him here. Tan pants, black shirt, full face helmet, red backpack. We got him high speed here, southbound on Cedar. He's behind us, Dan.
He's behind us? Hang back. He's at extremely high rate of speed.
Oh, I can't follow him. He's tumbling.
Going north?
No, he's southbound. I'm sorry, eastbound. Hold on, I lost him.
Pulling that through. You hit my
Sorry,
squad.
you tumbled me. I lost him. I can't steer the
Got me
camera.
hit your squad.
Okay, hold on.
He's still on.
Coming through Aldi, going back out onto 0 for Phoenix.
Done for. Going on to Phoenix.
The suspect was fleeing all over the place, through parking lots, weaving all over the road. He was everywhere. He probably played too much GTA and thinks escaping the cops works like that, but he could not be more wrong.
Turning into back of Walmart.
Turning into Walmart.
Then right now we're going back down Mazard, going back towards Roberts. Back on this. Let's go down.
This will come up TV.
Our behind the jail. Still behind the jail. Going in circles in a parking lot. Headed back towards Wheeler.
This was clearly a dangerous high-speed pursuit, with the suspect reaching speeds between 100 and 120 miles per hour. He blatantly ignored all police commands and defied every barrier in his path, repeatedly running red lights and turning the chase into a serious threat to public safety.
I-3, we're going to try to slow.
Chases in Europe are rare, but when they happen, they're unforgettable. This wild pursuit in France kicked off when a cop on a sport bike spotted a speeding motorcyclist. The suspect refused to stop, turning the freeway into a frenzy of weaving high-speed chaos that put everyone at risk.
All the way over to the right, I believe. They might be trying to take Moore's Mill. Yep, taking Moore's Mill. Get the fuck up! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Hands behind your back!
It all ended on the Moores Mill Road exit ramp. The rider hit a right-hand curve too fast, ran wide, lost control, and overturned, getting thrown into the grassy median before sitting up with his hands in the air. Once the helmet came off, Matthews smelled alcohol. Bloodshot.
They say if you plan to run, pray it doesn't happen in Arkansas. Because here, police don't just pursue, they hunt, turning every road into a battlefield. On the night of September 29, 2023, while on patrol, Officer Matthew Walker spotted a motorcyclist displaying signs of a traffic violation. The moment he was detected, the suspect immediately accelerated in an attempt to flee. Recognizing the growing danger, officers quickly escalated the pursuit to maximum tactical response.
Turning back, southbound, stay on King George.
Reservoir on film.
The neighbors pointed troopers straight to the driveway where the bike was parked. That's where they found Benjamin Rutz.
I got him. Hey, get off the bike right now, dude. Get off the fucking bike, dude. I'm not playing with you right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your bike on the ground. You get on the ground. Idiot. Wrong agency, dude. Wrong agency.
No dramatic run, no resisting. He took the L like a real man and went in cuffs. Now he's facing felony fleeing, reckless driving, and several charges that could mean several years in prison. But hey, for a few minutes there, he probably had the biggest adrenaline rush ever.
I keep you updated. He ain't getting too far. Alright, coming up on 520. He's about to run the red light. Just ran the red light. Clear, clear. Coming up on Brantley Street. Alright, he just laid it down. 1050. He just got ejected. 1050, 1050. Go ahead and get EMS to me. Oh, Waycross, he's gonna be decapitated. His head is decapitated. Go ahead, send me.
Streets and managed to evade the officer. Despite searching the area, the officer couldn't locate him at the time. However, the very next day, the suspect was tracked down and arrested. Do you think he really believed he could get away that easily? In April 2020, a high-speed police chase unfolded in Knaresborough, North Yorkshire, when officers attempted to stop a man riding a stolen Kawasaki motorbike. The bike was also uninsured, adding to the severity of the offense.
Boundary Street at Leyland in the Lance area. Insurance held Satan's June.
That's the nearest towards the 50 ambulance. It's failing to stop. We're going towards Blackstone roundabout.
The rider, Craig Hunt.
Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Going off-road, near Bent Road.
After exiting the interstate, Reinhardt drove into a grassy field where Trooper made several low-speed bumper contacts with the rear tire. On the third contact, Reinhardt lost control and laid the motorcycle down near a wooded area. He fled on foot, but was quickly apprehended after a short chase and successful taser deployment. On February 12, 2022, Trooper observed a 2021 Honda CBR.
On June 9th, 2024, in Fort Smith, Arkansas, Trooper Robert Rome spotted a motorcycle with a covered license plate near a gas station. The moment Rome turned in for a stop, the rider knew he was caught and twisted the throttle.
High correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through it.
Just driving. I got you. All right. Well, he's a lot fast. Do me a favor, slow down. We're fast now. Let me go after him.
On May 13th, 2023, legendary GSP trooper Austin Matthews was wrapping up a stop on Interstate 85 South near North Druid Hills when a dark sport bike ripped past him and kept building speed. Matthews jumped in, caught him as he exited onto State Route 400 North, hit the lights, and the rider looked back, made an improper pass, and chose chaos.
Check aviation for me on trip 6. If anybody's northbound Atlantic can come and see.
The chase came to a crashing halt when the suspect lost control and went down. He was quickly arrested and, surprisingly, walked away with only minor injuries. What do you think about this high-speed madness?
Running the stop sign at Hickory Level Road without even tapping the brakes. He kept peeking back, playing with his own life and the trooper's ego. But he picked the wrong trooper to play with.
Yeah, it's a no-go. Coming up Signal, it's a no-go. Turning right on Clearview, right on Clearview. Still on Clearview. Dead end, dead end to dirt behind the high school, behind the high school. Going through the dirt parking lot. Trying to get back around, get to the high school, 848. 1050.
Biker shot into the dirt lot behind Villarica High School, tried to hook back onto pavement, and slid the CBR out hard. A brutal, painful wipeout. And right when the crash should have been the lesson, Leverett reached for the bike like he wanted round 2. So the trooper added a taser and ended it. On July 18th in Arkansas, Corporal R. Schwab was parked in the median on Interstate 49 when a black motorcycle blew past at 89 miles per hour in a 70. He got behind the rider and lit him up near exit 76. But instead of stopping, the rider cranked the throttle, pushing 123 miles per hour and slicing through traffic with zero fear or sense.
Pass on this FG2, 110.
Copy, 72 still southbound, 110. I'm on down right, so let me know if he passes it.
Trooper First Class Alan Aiken took over as the chase heated up.
About to beat your ass, boy! Get back here now!
After the high-speed and dangerous pursuit, Reinhardt was apprehended and taken to a hospital for a medical evaluation. There, he casually stated that the reason he fled was simply for fun, and admitted to drinking 4 Loko earlier in the day. He also revealed that he was currently out on criminal parole. His reckless actions have now led to a slew of serious charges, including fleeing, driving under the influence, driving without insurance, driving with a suspended license, reckless driving, and failing to yield to law enforcement.
Just get off, man! Alright, try to channel him again. We're still going. Direction again. 316 back westbound towards 85. 316 back westbound towards 85.
316 westbound.
It had to be terrifying. Pushing a sport bike to 165 miles per hour, dodging cars, slicing gaps, blowing red lights, risking everything, and some crazy trooper still stayed about 50 feet behind. The rider was gambling with speed, but Matthews was dominating the road that night.
Making his way all the way over to the right, might take the exit. Nope.
Yeah, what kind of vehicle is it?
Our correction, straight on Midland. I'm bumping up to 6. 36. Alright, he's in the ditch, and he's again passing on a pig.
The first pit attempt should have ended it, yet the suspect stayed on two wheels. Soon would came the... On February 1st, just after 3 a.m. in Maricopa, Arizona, Sergeant Michael Ewell spotted a Kawasaki sport bike speeding through the city. What could have been just a speeding ticket turned deadly. The rider, 29-year-old Demetrius Caddis, was already wobbling at around 80 miles per hour in a 35 when the lights came on.
He's not driving very good either. Like he's an experienced driver. Shut your bike. Put the kickstand down and get on your face. All right, I got you. Roll over on your side, man. Do you need an ambulance or anything? No. Man, you crazy riding like that. What's wrong with you?
You ain't supposed to chase me under 100 miles an hour. That's against the law.
You know who you messing with? Look at this, right? You know who you messing with?
You can't chase me over 100.
Yes, I can.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
I'll see in court.
What law is it, man?
It's on the computer, on the Google. Georgia state law.
No, bud, you misinformed.
When the pursuit finally ended, the driver was identified as Brandon Ballew. Investigators discovered his license was suspended. He also had multiple active warrants and showed signs of drug impairment.